Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. First, I want to address something from a previous video. I did a haul video. I don't know how many videos ago that was. I like batch film videos and then I scheduled them to upload. So I don't know when this video is going to go up. I don't know when that video went up. So I did a haul, and in the haul I showed 2 designer items that I had got. I got a comment saying that the designer items were fake. And it made me laugh because the person's like, hello, I'm a reseller of 5 years. Hey, reseller of 5 years here. The last 2 items are suspect. Sorry. M doesn't do, which they're talking about M is Moschino, doesn't do cheap iron-on for the shirts. They silk screen. On eBay, you can get them for $20. Not sure about Kenzo, but that is faked a ton. You can erase this comment too if you want. First of all, I don't sell fakes. Second, both of those shirts have been authenticated. I mentioned that in the comment and someone, or no, that same person actually replied and she's like, oh, who authenticated it? As if they didn't believe me, you know? So I just thought that that was kind of crazy. Like, this person, reseller of 5 years, their skills are so amazing they can spot a fake through a fucking computer screen. Like, what? They're like, oh, the shine on your shirt. I'm like, guys, if you go to the Moschino website and you search the shirt, there's a pretty big shine on their shirt too. And I think I replied back, I'm like, hold on, I'll read it to you. I said, go there and check out their shirt. Is my shine shinier than their shine? Then somebody else commented, they're like, yeah, I think it's fake too. It's like, what you don't think it's possible to find designer stuff at the thrift store? Like, what was your reasoning for thinking the Kenzo sweatshirt was fake? Just because I found 2 designer items in one day? Like, shut the fuck up. Worry about yourself. I don't sell fakes. People like that piss me off. It's like, no, just mind your business. You're just trying to just stir trouble, be an asshole. I don't know. I don't know what you're trying to do. And the fact that you're like, oh, you can delete this comment too. It's like, okay, go away, troll. So yeah, once again, I'm not selling fakes. Don't worry. They have been authenticated. They're real. Oh, guys, this comment, I had to address it. This person said, you really need to give us your exact numbers. Otherwise, anything that you say on here is invalid. Huh? I'm not giving you guys my exact numbers. I've never done that. I never will do that. It's nobody's business. And just because I don't give you guys my exact numbers doesn't mean the shit that I tell you guys isn't valid. Like, how does that makes no sense. There's no relation. It makes no sense at all. This person is just mad that I don't give out my numbers. I don't know. I'm wondering if it was the same. Actually, I could go back and see the screenshots, but I'm wondering if it was the same person I talked about in a previous video where they asked why I don't give out my numbers. They're like, every reseller that I watch gives out numbers. I'm like, no, not a lot of people do. Or they give out fake numbers like, oh, I'm a 6-figure reseller. When in actuality, okay, yeah, you make 6 figures a year, but going into your bank account is way less than 6 figures. So yeah, it actually reminds me of a post by Steve, who is Rake and Profit. He posted on, let me see if I can pull it up. So he posted this on his Instagram. Somebody commented on one of his videos where he was talking about like reselling. I don't know what the exact video was. I'm new to his channel. I haven't watched like all of his videos, but I do really like his channel. I'm going to talk about him in a second. Okay, so the person said, show us how to do it. Don't just talk about it. And he replied back, no, figure it out. No one will serve you a profitable business on a silver spoon. Come on now, step up your game. It starts with your attitude and ends with hard work. And then he says, if you're going to build a successful business, it all starts with your attitude. If you're an entitled person who expects someone else to figure out how to make you money, then you're going to be very disappointed. No one is ever going to give you the secret recipe. You have to take little bits and pieces from everybody that you learned from and put it together in your own way that makes sense. And that's so true. I give you guys advice and like my tips and tricks here on YouTube. I don't tell you guys everything. I'm not going to tell you guys my exact numbers. I'm not going to tell you guys the exact places that I source. There's just things I'm not going to give away. This is my business, and you know, I can only give you guys so much. The other shit you need to figure out for yourself. I'm not just going to hand people shit, like he said, on a silver spoon. You got to do your own work and figure shit out for yourself. Take bits and pieces from like me and other resellers and put it together and do your own shit. So yeah, I just had to talk about that because I thought that that was pretty relevant. But this person's very mad that I don't give out exact numbers. Like, I don't have to tell you guys shit. I really don't. But I do. I tell you guys some shit. I don't tell you guys all the shit. And I don't need to tell you guys all the shit. Some shit is good enough. Okay, next question. Do you use style tags? If so, do you think they have improved your sales? So I do not use style tags. I don't. I'm thinking about, well, I feel like I would want to hire like a virtual assistant to do that, to go through all my listings and add style tags, because I'm back up over 1,000 listings now. Is one of my goals for 2022 is to add style tags and maybe add some keywords to listings. I actually want to go through or have someone go through my listings and like change the descriptions and stuff, because I'm just very basic with what I say in the description. You know, like there's only so much you can say about like a hoodie, like a pink hoodie. It's pink, has a hood, has sleeves. But I do want to have someone go through and change shit around, maybe add style tags, and then kind of go from there and see if they make a difference. But to answer your question, no, I do not use style tags. And I'm gonna change that though. And I don't use them on Mercari either. I don't know if you were talking about just Poshmark, but I don't use them on Mercari either. Last question, what other resellers do you watch? I trust your opinion on people. Well, thank you for trusting my opinion. I feel like I'm a good judge of character. I can feel the vibes. I can sense if someone's genuine or not. I'm not gonna go into detail about each person. I'm just gonna say their name. I will maybe make a video in the future going into more detail on why I like these people. This is just a list that I came up with. And actually came up with this list a while ago when I was gonna make that video, and then I never got around to it, and we're just gonna talk about them in this video. First person is Alicia or Murrayed Life. So some of these I'll link stuff down below. Some of these are like their YouTube names. Some people are just on Instagram, but I'll link stuff down below. Ashley, Hustle at Home Mom. Hannah's Posh Closet. This person, I'm not gonna say this person because I actually went on Instagram this morning, so I was like, I haven't seen a post from them in a while. I went on Instagram and I'm blocked. I'm like, what the fuck? And this happened like a year or so ago. I noticed that I was blocked by them, and I messaged them from my other account, and I was like, why did you block me? Because I don't know, I thought we were friends, like friendly. We talked to each other. And she was like, oh, it was on accident. I'm like, okay, is it on accident a second time, or like, did I do something? I don't know. I'm very curious. So I'm not going to say her name. I don't want to start shit. That's funny. It's like, what did I do? What did I do? Did I say something to piss her off? I never said anything about her or like to her. So I don't know. Okay. Next person is Kelly or Rebel Rose Co. Lindsay Nicole. Pete, Craigslist Hunter. Great. I love watching his YouTube videos. Sorry, I said I'm not going to talk about each person, but he is amazing. His videos are so funny. He's like goals. He has his own store, like real store. He's really cool. Rebecca Allison, Rocky or the Threadman. Shay and Tyler, go subscribe to their YouTube channel. I love their videos and they really need more subscribers. I love watching them. They are so great. Steve, Rake and Profit, he's the one I just talked about. Tabs or Tabs McCaffrey. Again, I will link everyone that I mentioned down below, and I will probably do another video talking about more people, going into depth of why I think that they are great. But that's it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.